Are you ready to take your upper body workout to the next level? Say goodbye to boring reps and hello to sculpted arms, shoulders, and back with these Pilates wall workouts. In this video, you'll discover 5 effective exercises that will have you feeling the burn in all the right places. Get ready to tone, strengthen, and transform your upper body with me. Hey everyone, welcome back to Blissful Body Journey. I'm Karen Gottlieb and I'm on this journey with you to help find balance and bliss within our own bodies. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these exercises are sure to challenge and shape your muscles in new ways. So find a wall and let's get started. For our first exercise, we're gonna do a roll down against the wall. And I love this exercise because I was never very good at roll downs on the floor, so this helped me get a lot better at them. So what we're gonna do is just use the wall. You're also gonna get a little bit of a leg workout as you do this, and we're getting abdominals, good. So we're gonna take a ball or a block, yoga block, or anything you have around the house, maybe a good pillow. You don't need to use anything. I like this because it helps me keep my knees tracking over my ankles. So we're not gonna go into a super deep squat like this. You wanna keep it kind of shallow, as long as your whole back is against the wall, and you want your head resting there too. This is great for your posture, bringing the head back over the shoulders. Okay, you're gonna breathe a couple breaths. Let's practice for a couple breaths, just breathing into the wall, thinking of your ribs expanding into the wall. Inhale. And exhale. Squeeze the ball and keep your lower tummy in tight. And then we're gonna breathe above the waist, into the ribs, into the wall again. Inhale. And then exhale, squeeze. Lift the lower stomach in and up. And now we're gonna start moving. We're gonna inhale. Exhale, squeeze, tight tummy. And we're gonna curl the upper body forward and over the knees. You're gonna hold it here, get a nice stretch for your back. Inhale. And then exhale, squeeze, pull that lower tummy in and up and have it bring you back up against the wall, right? So we're gonna inhale into the wall. Exhale, squeeze, lift the lower abs and curl up and over them. Hopefully feeling a stretch. You wanna think of your chest lifting up and away. Good, and letting the head just come forward like a candy cane here. And then inhale. Exhale, squeeze, and we'll roll back up. Let's do a few more. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze, lift the lower abs and round forward. Good. And then inhale. Exhale, lift the lower abs and we'll roll yourself back up onto the floor. Right? Inhale. Exhale, squeeze, lift the lower abs, right? And then curl forward over your knees here a little bit. Breathing into the back, inhale. Exhale, squeeze, scoop, and we'll curl back up. Just think of opening your toes, pressing the balls of the feet into the floor, and keeping that little squeeze. Our next exercise is going to be protraction and retraction. And this is a motion of our shoulder blades. So if you'd like, you could use a band. You're going to put it back behind your back this way. You could also grab weights, or you can do this without anything. There's no need for any equipment. You're going to come and take your little shallow squat at the wall again. Reach the arms out long and away from you. Good, and then think of tucking the armpits down towards your waist and still keeping the lower abs in and up, like closing your belly button into the wall, okay? Then what we're gonna do is reach your arms out like you're gonna give someone a hug, right? So you're gonna open up the shoulder blades and then you're gonna squeeze them back together and bring the shoulders back against the wall. So the shoulders are gonna leave the wall and then they're gonna squeeze back in and touch the wall. And your shoulder blades want to glide over the back ribs there. Our shoulder blades rest on fascia on our back ribs and actually have no bony attachment at all. So it makes them very fragile in a way, but we're gonna slide the shoulder blades apart and then we're gonna squeeze them back together. You can imagine having a pencil between your shoulder blades that you're letting go of, and then you're squeezing back in towards it, right? And then you let go, reach, and then squeeze in. This is a very subtle exercise. It's great for your posture. Good, and just try to keep your arms straight. A lot of times we start bending our arm. Try to keep straight arms and just really try to isolate your shoulder blades. Good, right? One more time, inhale, exhale. Our next exercise is gonna be hug a tree. So we're gonna round your arms now, like ballet arms here. On this exercise, you wanna make sure you keep your elbow up. So you wanna make sure the crease of your arm is forward as you open your arms out. So like this is droopy elbows, we don't want that. We wanna try to lift that elbow up and keep that crease forward, right? And then as we bring the arms back together, just keeping that nice little slight roundness in your arms. Pull the armpits to the waist. Good, we're gonna breathe in to open, right? And then exhale to close. You can think of holding a beautiful like beach ball in your arms and fill it with your favorite colors there. And as you open it, just think of like maybe rainbows moving out. Inhale. Good, and then exhale, catch your rainbows or your butterflies or whatever. Have a nice image for yourself. Inhale. And then exhale, press the armpits down. Try to find ease in your neck and length in your neck. Inhale. Exhale, your head is like a balloon, just floating over your shoulders. Inhale. Good, drop your armpits down. Keep those elbows up, right? Inhale, you're gonna have beautiful ballet arms there. Inhale. Exhale, keep the lower abs lifted, keep the inner thighs on, and you'll probably feel your thighs as well on the top as we're keeping our squat here. Inhale and exhale. Lower tummy in, good. One more time, inhale and exhale. Okay, our next exercise will be external rotation of the shoulders, which we all need because most of us drive or do other things during the day, computer, where we get hunched over. So this will really bring those muscles that need to be worked into shape. So we're gonna bend the elbows and bring them up at a 90-degree angle here. We're keeping the inner thighs on, lifting the lower stomach, of course. Right, and we're gonna inhale and then exhale. Try to bring your elbows together and rotate your wrists out, right? And then release, okay? And then inhale, make your V, elbows in, wrists out. Inhale, and then exhale, right? Inhale, and exhale. You can also do it this way without anything. If you're having a hard time getting the idea of what the shape is supposed to be like, just pulling the hands apart, keeping the elbows together. You could try to do that with the band, keeping it that close, but it's very hard to do. So you just take the elbows apart a little bit and just try to rotate as much as possible, keeping the palms to you and turning the thumb to the outside. Now we're gonna put tension into the band, pulling it apart, elbows in, wrists out. And we're gonna hold this now and then just pulse up, 2, 3, keeping those elbows in, and then create resistance on the way down. You'll feel the tricep as well. So bicep, tricep, I'm shaking here. Bicep, tricep, pull it down. 2 more, bicep, pull down triceps, and then up and lower down and relax. Okay, hopefully after the external rotation, you want to do some more. Here we go. We're gonna inhale and then exhale, pull this band against the wall. You can also just, again, do this with your arms. You don't have to have a band, but you wanna touch your pinky to the wall. Try to drop your armpits down. You're still keeping the inner thighs on, scooping your lower tummy in and up. Head is like a cloud, right? It's just floating over the shoulders. Ease in the neck, okay? So try to push the armpits down, ease in the neck, okay? Our rear delts should be working here, and we're just gonna do little pulses back, right? Just tiny little pulses touching your pinky finger to the wall. Now we're gonna turn your palm up and touch your thumb to the wall, right? Just little pulses, working your rear delts are really important muscles for your posture. You should feel taller after these exercises. Then we're gonna do palms forward, just touch the fingertips back to the wall. Good, so you're keeping a nice and wide spaciousness through your arms here. Let's do 2 more, and then we're gonna turn the palms to the wall, just touch the wall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again, palms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Palms down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Palms forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Palms back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then relax. There you have it, 5 challenging Pilates wall exercises to tone and strengthen your upper body. Remember to focus on proper form, breathe through each movement, and listen to your body. Let's close with some positivity today. Let's take a deep breath. We're gonna close your eyes and repeat after me. I am at peace with my body and treat it with kindness. Amazing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more Pilates and movement workouts. And let me know in the comments which exercise you found the most effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next workout session.